The thought of refinancing your mortgage can be overwhelming, yes. I hear that objection many times a day. So I wanted to flip that objection on its head by developing a methodology or a process, whatever you'd like to call it, but it is efficient, it's effective. I have gone through and mapped out the customer journey, looking at touch points along the way to help improve the process and the experience. So the first part the first step is the discovery session, which is always really important because it's where I can get to understand your needs and objectives, your financial goals. You can really get to understand your position, because as a mortgage broker, one of the benefits is that we're able to find a lender and product that really is within your best interests. So that is the first step in the 4-step process called the Brava Finance Way. The next step is my Financial Foundations program, which you can choose to go through if you like or if you feel that you need to, but it's available for setting just some basic financial foundations and looking at your budget, your expenses, your income, looking at ways that you can save money, cut down on spending that's not necessary, and then looking at a plan to help, whether it's saving for a larger deposit for a home purchase. So we just run through various different strategies to help build that financial knowledge and confidence, which is really an important part of the process. Okay, so the next step 3, mortgage assessment and strategy, is part of the process where I spent a lot of time mapping out the customer journey to ensure that it is effective and efficient and really is going to help you reduce the overwhelm. So basically what we do here is take the information learned from the discovery session. I go away and look at lender options. We have access to over 50 different lenders, and find a lender and product that is within your best interest. So obviously as a mortgage broker, we need to operate under best interest duty. So finding something that's going to work for you as opposed to just going to one lender and making their products fit. So here we get a wider range and selection. As a mortgage broker, I do understand policy niche for each one of the lenders, and also have developed relationships, so can negotiate for potential more favourable terms. So we take that information and I explain the pros and the cons of the lender recommendations. Then the next step is to upload the relevant documentation into the customer portal. So once the information has been uploaded into the customer portal, that's when I take that information and do all the checks and balances required as part of preparing the loan application. Then I submit the loan application and follow it right through to settlement for you. So taking it through the stages of conditional or pre-approval and also formal approval, and then right up to settlement. So take the leg work out of it for you, but also keep you well informed at every step of the way. So we're in constant communication. And then, so up to settlement. So you can just sit back and relax during that process pretty much. But I just want you to understand that, or the work that the mortgage broker can do on your behalf. So once the loan has settled, you'd think that the relationship ends there. But no, I've added a step 4, which is ongoing loan advisor. So once you have me as your mortgage broker, I'm there. You can pick up the phone. It's not like you're having to try and get through to a call centre for a bank. I'm easily accessible by phone or email. We can Zoom. If you want a face-to-face meeting, that's fine as well. But I'm there for any questions that you have, for still support and guidance. And I also do periodic loan reviews just to check to see where your rate is sitting and whether it's competitive, and give refinance options if there is a more competitive product and rate out there for you. So I think that's the key, is that the relationship doesn't end just after settlement. So I'm there for support and guidance for the life of the loan.